Hi guys, this is me Avneet and today I'm getting ready with Pink Villa for a very natural everyday makeup look. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, मतलब आज makeup करने से पहले I have done a mask already which I want to talk about. It's called the Kora Turmeric Mask. And to every girl out there, literally, I want to suggest you this because I remember I was shooting for this project, a movie, and it was in Orcha. And basically, Orcha has no spas, no facials, nothing going on over there. And I was tanned like anything. So I was thinking कि अब मैं क्या करूँ, क्या करूँ, क्या करूँ. So I got this mask which literally removes all the tanning and it's a scrub basically, 5-minute scrub, 15 minutes mask, and you're just done. Baby soft skin and like all the tan is gone. So I did that before this, so that's why I'm glowing so much. And also girls, hydrate. Like मैं specially आज ये ऐसे लेकर आई हूँ आप लोगों के लिए. पानी जितना हो सके पियो. मैं बिल्कुल ज़्यादा नहीं पीती, but मैं फिर भी बताना चाहूँगी यहाँ पे. My manager will be very happy for that. Okay, ठीक है. हो गई बातें. अब हम लोग start करते हैं. सबसे पहले I have this product over here. I want to put on my lips because my lips tend to get really dry nowadays. Again, one of the symptoms that you're not drinking enough water, girls. Okay. Keeping them moisturized till the time I do all my makeup. So next I think we're gonna do. Okay, this is one of my favorite toners. I have a lot of toners that I love, mostly Korean beauty because it's all over the internet right now. And वो जो बोलते हैं वो करते भी हैं. It's really effective. The rice toners especially. But today I'm gonna do this Pat McGrath Divine Skin. It's rose essence and it smells amazing. It smells like would Johnson Baby की smell आती थी ना. I am so addicted to this. So I'm just gonna put it all over my face. Talking about my skin type because you have to choose products according to your skin type. नहीं तो breakouts आना शुरू हो जाएंगे, acne और पूरी बर्बाद हो जाएगी skin. इससे अच्छा you should know what is happening on your skin first. I am usually prone to acne and I tend to break out a lot. If I have stress, I break out. Around my menstruation, I break out. So it's like, so I have to be very careful. So the products that I'm choosing right now also, it's good for your acne prone skin. तो अभी मैं जो आपको दिखा रही हूँ, आप actually अपने acne prone skin के लिए use कर सकते हो. And I have like a medium to oily skin type. So yeah. Now I'm done with my toner. The next thing that we're gonna do is okay, moisturize. Girls, you have to moisturize. This one is Protein Polypeptide Cream from Drunk Elephant, and God, I can't even talk about this because this product is heaven. It's like my go-to and it's a holy grail, literally. It literally repairs your skin barrier and all the things that are going wrong on your face. And I think this is something that I always do. One thing, I think it's a myth I would just want to clear. ऐसा नहीं होता है कि if you are in your summer time, it's humid, so you don't wear your moisturizer. Moisturizer has to be there on your skin all the time. If you think नहीं आज मैं बहुत oily feel कर रही हूँ, choose a moisturizer which is for your oily skin. But please just wear a moisturizer. You'll thank me later for this, seriously. And yeah, so now we're done with the moisturizer. Next thing that I'm going to use is SPF. Very important in Mumbai especially and in India, I'm sure. Please wear your sunscreen. सच में बहुत ही important है. This is SPF 40 and Super Goop Glow Sunscreen. As if I need any, but I'm already really shiny right now. I'll dab that later with my powder. But this has SPF as well as a little bit glow also. So I'll just show it to you how it looks on my skin. Awesome. Wear it on your neck as well. This area is also very important because it's also going to be there outside in the sun. Nicely do it. One more thing, whenever I'm getting ready, I would like not to be disturbed. That's me. किसी लोगों को होता है ना एकदम से जल्दी चलो 5-10 मिनट में ready हो जाओ, मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद. I would light a candle first, drink some water, play on some nice music. I have a special playlist for that on my Spotify. I can share with you on my Instagram later. But this is something very, very important. Rest of the product on your hands. Please don't waste it. Just put it on your body. Very important. So yeah, SPF done. Awesome. Now what are we going to do? Okay, तो ये natural वाला look है, तो मैं ज़्यादा एकदम भरना नहीं चाहूँगी face with the makeup. I am that person who would do more skincare and less makeup, I think, because the glow comes from within. Even अगर आप base भी लगा लो, अंदर से shiny आ जाता है glow. So I think ज़्यादा नहीं. Today I'm going to use this Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Foundation again by Pat McGrath Labs. Amazing. Feels like skin. Doesn't feel so heavy on your skin. So actually ये भी मैंने ज़्यादा लगा लिया है. But ठीक है कोई. One more thing, whenever I'm doing my foundation, I don't usually use makeup brushes. I love my hands. I just do most of the things with my hands. So basically, whatever you do, you decide, you know. बहुत सारे लोग आप लोगों को बोलेंगे कि ये कर लो, वो कर लो. बहुत सारी टिप्पणी देने भी आएंगे लोग. Just do what you feel like, what suits you the best. Do that. Somebody just very recently told me something about my makeup, and for a second I was like, ouch, really? I never really thought about that. So that person was like, you know what, whenever you go for an award function, maybe just hire someone else to do your makeup. No, it's not important. If you like it, you do it yourself. If you are comfortable with it, just do it. Don't listen to anyone else. वो time पे for a second I was like, ugh, oh my god, I feel so bad. Like, should I even do it or not? But no. If you like it, if you're comfortable with it, do it. Don't listen to anyone else. Okay, now I'm gonna use this Charlotte Tilbury something. I don't know. I forgot the name because पूरा इसका print हट गया है. Again for glow, little bit only I'll put around my neck area as well. Hands. Okay, so this product is for the glow from within whenever you're putting, you know, your makeup and everything. Okay, so I think my skin is finally prepped. और कुछ चाहिए आपको? नहीं. Okay, I think we're gonna go in with the concealer. Oh my god, that was amazing. Slow motion करना बहुत अच्छा लगेगा ये. Okay, so this one is the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Dark Spots concealer. This has some sort of, again, good qualities. It's not really hard on your skin. इसमें कुछ तो एक serum है which is good for your skin as well. So I'm just gonna put where I've got acne. Not much, very less. First I'm gonna do this with a brush. Just blend it in. Again, as I said, I don't really like much makeup. So one more thing, whenever I'm doing my makeup also, अगर मैं किसी से करवा भी रही हूँ, if there's any makeup artist, I usually tell them to make it look like skin whenever they're doing my makeup. I like when, you know, there are some flaws on the face. I like when a little bit, you know, pores are visible, or even if a little acne marks are visible on my skin. I really feel that looks natural. I don't like those cakey makeups. That really is a very turn off for me. I really don't like that. So I do this myself, but जब मैं कभी किसी से makeup भी करवा रही हूँ, I make sure that I tell them that this is something that I want. Okay, so this is covered. Now I'm going to go under my eye area. I'm going to cover the dark circles that I have. watching too much Netflix in the night, not sleeping enough. Yeah. Okay, so this is done. Now because my face tends to get really oily after all this, so I just want to set it up with a powder. आज मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ द लॉरा मर्सियर ट्रांसलूसेंट लूज सेटिंग पाउडर. Okay, so I'm gonna go in first under the eye area. Yeah, I know it's all powdery right now, but it's gonna be better after some time. Just wait and watch. You can apply it on your neck as well to match the skin tone. Great. Okay, now we're done with this part. I forgot this step, but now I'm going to put it. This is the Too Faced lip injection. Maximum plump. Thoda sa plumpy lips ke liye. Usually do this before I start my makeup, but that's fine. And please guys, don't try that new hack that has just come out. कोई भी लिप या लिप बाम में लिप ग्लॉस में मिर्ची के चिली फ्लेक्स डाल के उसको मिक्स करके गर्ल्स आर पुटिंग इट नाउअडेज ऑन द लिप्स. दैट्स गोना ruin your lips completely. Never ever do that. Just rather buy this lip plumpers. There are everywhere. If you want a mild one also, I can suggest one. Carmix is just best. It'll soothe your lips and actually protect your lips rather than just destroying them completely. Okay, the next step we have here is the Charlotte Tilbury contour wand. And okay, something with this product, I always do this. Please make sure that you don't do this because this is a very expensive product. Don't ruin it on your hands. Don't waste it on your hands. Yeah. Now we're just gonna do a little bit of contouring today because we're not doing much. This is an everyday kind of makeup. I'm gonna put it on my cheeks. Just below your cheekbones. You see that? Here, the jawline. Hiding that baby fat that I never get rid of. Yeah, it's just better to call it baby fat rather than double chin. That's also a hack. Okay. Nose. यहाँ पे थोड़ा धीरे से करूँगी because मेरी एक दोस्त ने मेरे ऊपर कल फ़ोन फेंक दिया मेरे नाक के ऊपर. So here you can see a little mark, but ouch. Beauty does not come with pain. And the forehead area, because I like to, whenever I tie my hair up, and I usually just tie my hair up, one of those clean girl hairstyles going around on Pinterest. Okay. Next thing that we're gonna do today is blush. I love blush. It's so cute, and especially when I'm doing my everyday makeup look, I think this is one of the most important step for me. And आज मैं use कर रही हूँ the Rare Beauty in the color Happy, which is literally out of stock everywhere. I got this when I went to London and I was like दो चार ले लूँ, but इसमें भी एक ही बचा था, and thank God I got my hands on it. By the way, shout out to Selena Gomez for literally inventing this beautiful brand. It's everywhere and it's so good for your skin and looks so natural. Look at that, so cute. There's one more shade which is going viral right now. I've seen it everywhere. It's called Joy. It's very pretty. every girl who's watching this video would be like, हाँ यार, I understand. It's nowhere right now, this brand. It's always out of stock. हाँ, but if you want to buy here, then you can go to Infinity and you can go to Phoenix. But mostly वहाँ पे भी out of stock ही रहता है. It's a disappointment to go there also. But try your luck. Maybe sometimes you will get it. A little more. That's it. Now we're gonna go in and apply a highlighter again by Rare Beauty. This one is in the shade Enlighten. Come on, highlighter, enlighten me. We're gonna put it here. Highlighter brush. Okay. That's it. I'm gonna have some water. Again, reminder. Now we're gonna go in with this one. I got this from London again. This is the Thick It Stick It NYX Thickening Brow Mascara. Have you even heard that stuff? I've tried this stuff. It's good stuff. But you won't get it again here in India. So I just go in with this like that. It's like a brow mascara. तो आपको जैसे आप mascara apply करते हो, same way you have to apply this. I don't really like those very dark sort of eyebrows. But that's not me. I like to keep them a little natural, on more of on the brown side, I guess, because that looks more natural. That's it for the brows. And now once they're a little dry, I'll go in with the Benefit brow setter gel, something like that. It's very good for your brows if you like those you know, laminated kind of brows without getting the lamination thing done on your brows. Trust the process. This actually feels like lamination, but it's not really lamination. Okay, now this is a gel. You have to wait for it to dry. And then you get beautiful laminated brows without getting the lamination thing done. Now we're gonna go in for some mascara. I'm using this mascara by IT Cosmetics. It's called IT Superhero Mascara. It really is a superhero for me. Okay, little bit only. So something very important for me for like on my face is my lashes, my brows, and lipstick. So I can't do without a mascara, my lip product, whatever I'm using, and a blush on, and eyebrows. If I'm doing these 4 things, I think I'm good to go. So as you can see, I have like a little bit of, I have some lash extensions that are barely there. Now I'm just gonna wipe my lip product. As you can see, my lips are super plumpy right now. This really works, girls. They have natural color on them, which I really love. I'm gonna use this lip pencil today by NARS. I think I've seen this on Alia's vlog somewhere. She talks about it like all the time. It's the Dolce Vita, and I couldn't get it here, but I got it in Paris. So I'm just gonna overline a lips with this. It's subtle, but it's beautiful. And then I'm gonna go in with a Rare Beauty lip oil in the color Joy. So ये वाला lip oil का है. This is definitely a good lip oil, but at the same time, this plumps your lips a little bit, has a tingly effect. our setting spray, and that's it. Then we're done. This one is by Rare Beauty. I use it literally always, all the time. It's called Always an Optimist 4-in-1 Mist. So basically you can use it as a refresher, as a makeup setting spray, all of it. This works very well on your skin. And then I go in with one more round, just for the glow. This smells amazing. Okay. Cool, I think the makeup is done. I've already done my hair. Now I'm just gonna use my perfume. This one is called Delina, and it's one of the most girliest perfumes I've come across, but that's me today. All things pink. It's Barbie season. And then I'm gonna go in with my Chanel hand cream. Moisturize again your hands as well. This smells amazing, trust me, it's the best combo. Your hands are moisturized, your face is moisturized, your whole body is moisturized. I think you're ready to go and hit the sun. Okay, thank you so much guys. This was my everyday makeup routine. If you like that glowing, natural, skin showing kind of makeup, then this is something that you should go for. My recommendation. Thank you so much, and this was fun doing this with Pinkvilla, and I'll see you soon again with something more exciting. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.
Pinkvilla. Look no further.